a very, very long time ago, I discovered what this thing was. I don't know why it took me years to figure out that it's a diffuser for your curls, and that's how you dry your curly hair fast without straightening it. And I never used it before, and I tried it for the first time, which did not go so well. For one, I didn't let my hair completely dry, and two, it was damaged, so it wasn't going to curl the proper way. Now that I have repaired my hair and it's becoming the curly hair that I want, I will try diffusing my hair again to see if there is a difference, which I know there will be, because technically there will always be a difference if your hair is much healthier and in a better state than it was before. But if this works well, then I will probably do it more often when I have to leave the house and my hair is completely wet, so I don't ruin my outfit or get sick. I just washed my hair. Well, not just washed it. I washed it and then put it in a bun and did random daily things, and now hours have passed and I need to put product and stuff in my hair before it gets crazy. So the bun is still wet and the top is dry and crispy. I'm going to start off by applying the oil that I made into my hair. I can't remember what this specific one is. I think I put henna, neem, coconut oil, some hummus, peppermint oil. I think that was it. I don't know, whatever, but I'm going to apply that to my scalp. And, oh, fenugreek, duh. But you want to massage that into your scalp. And then for the ends of my hair, I'm just going to use the Shea Moisture Conditioner. I think it's the regular Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner, and also the coconut, what's this one? Coconut hibiscus one. Then I'll seal it with the coconut oil. So yeah, the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I have no idea what they're doing outside. And this is the other one that's wet and locked. Okay, now it's working. And then again, I'm going to seal it with the coconut oil, and then we will, this smells really good, try our hand at diffusing our curls. And my last step before I diffuse my hair, I'm going to try and make sure it's detangled. So if my hair does decide to curl nicely, it's defined. Alright, we are all brushed out and saturated, and it's time to get started. If I can attach this properly. Oh, I forgot how stupid this thing is. Okay. Snatch you up. Okay. I got it. Okay. hear anything now. Alright. Well, I'm with it, except for this stupid little piece of hair. I don't know why. It's just, you just hate me, don't you, right now? But my hair is drunk. Ouch. Oh, that hurt. I forgot what I was saying. My hair is mostly dry. It's a tad bit damp, just a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. But I think what I'm going to do is, I broke this spray bottle and it's, okay, there we go. I'm spritzing it with aloe vera juice just to re-moisten it a little bit and hopefully redirect these little frizz balls, especially this stupid area right here. I'm gonna spray it in my hand because I can't put this bottle. I mean, granted, I'm guessing you can just, you know, use mousse or gel, maybe, to redefine your hair. I can't see. I don't have a mirror. I'm just looking into the viewfinder and I need to look closer to see what the hell I'm doing. I don't know if this is going to work out or not. Oh, yeah, you're curling. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm going to go get the mousse. I'll be right back. Are you focused? Now you are. Alright, I came back with the coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse, which I like to use when I am on the go and want my hair to stay in its nice pretty little curls. So I'm going to use a little bit and try and get this to work here. Nope. Alright. You just... Oh, my hair. You're killing me, buddy. Ouch. Maybe if I part it my normal way. I'm gonna go get my gel. Let me see if I can fix these edges just a little bit to make this look, oh, I don't know. Okay, well, if you want my personal opinion, I feel like this took too much time and I needed too many products in my hair and manipulation, and just I don't have the patience for it, and it still didn't really listen to me. So would diffusing my hair be my go-to thing? No. But I mean, I guess I'll see an experiment of doing it with and without diffusing and see if my curls come out better, because these are fluffier. It's just, I don't know what to do with my bangs, and this just, it does what it wants to do. I know people complain about my hair being in my face, but literally if I move it, it will go right back, or it'll just stick up and look stupid. So you're just gonna have to deal with it. So with that being said, have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you're watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies next time. Bye.